How to download songs from YouTube Music. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download songs from YouTube Music. For this, you want to open the YouTube Music app on your device. If you don't have this application, you want to head over to Play Store if you are using an Android device. Head over to App Store if you're using iPhone. Here you want to search for YouTube Music, then tap on the install button. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now you can download songs from YouTube Music, and you can also download the entire playlist if you want. All you want to do is find the song that you want to download. For this, tap on the search icon. Then go ahead and find that song. Once you have found it, tap on these three dots. Here you will find different options such as Start Radio, Add to Queue, Save to Library. There's the option of download over here. So you can simply tap on the download option. Now remember that you need to have YouTube Premium in order to download your favorite songs. So if you already have YouTube Premium, you can download that. If not, you can tap on the Try It for Free option over here and subscribe to YouTube Premium. Once you have been subscribed, you can simply download playlist or songs from YouTube Music, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.